New laws signed by Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders today will change the prison and parole system in Arkansas. Thank you for joining us. I'm Rolly Hoyt.
And I'm Karen Fuller. Faith and Craig are off this week. These laws mean tougher punishments for certain crimes and new limits on parole. Teacher 11 Sarah Habakowitz breaks down the sprawling Protect Arkansas Act.
The final bills from this legislative session are now making their way to Sarah Sanders' desk, and today she signed off on a plan to lock up repeat violent offenders in the state, prison expansion, and tougher punishment for drug crimes.
It's no mistake that Arkansas has one of the highest violent crime rates in America. The legislation I sign will put an end to that failed status quo.
More specifically, this limits parole. Starting in 2025, those found guilty of serious crimes like second-degree murder and first-degree sexual assault will have to serve 85% of their sentence before they're eligible for supervised release. Starting next year, people who are found guilty of especially violent crimes like capital murder or rape will no longer be eligible for parole at all.
No more revolving door in our prisons, and no more weak sentencing, and no more unsafe streets.
Bryant Police Chief Carl Minden says he's hoping this will limit the amount of repeat arrests they see now.
It's just a repetitious process of just catching the same person, just letting them go.
Minden says some of this frustration comes from overcrowding of state prisoners filling up local jails.
Anytime one of the officers makes an arrest for low-level misdemeanor crimes, they're not taken to jail.
To address that, the administration also plans to add 3,000 more prison beds. The governor asking for $470 million to do so, an expansion that Saline County Sheriff Rodney Wright says law enforcement needs.
Well, right now there's overcrowding in all of our local jails. The additional 3,000 coming down the line, again, it helps us get back to misdemeanor justice.
Also shared that the act will offer millions of dollars in incentives to bring more correctional staff to Arkansas. It's not clear exactly when new prison construction will start, but the state's corrections secretary is hoping to open 500 new beds at current facilities soon.
Sarah, thank you. The governor also signed today what's called the Death by Delivery bill into law. It'll allow the state to charge people who traffic fentanyl with murder and impose a life sentence.